Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am Jen, and surprise, I had a baby. So it has been a long time since I have posted, and this is why. My sweet little baby boy Jack. I'm just gonna plop him in the background and let him play. But I just wanted to pop on real quick and just say, hey, I am coming back to YouTube. I have missed it so much. It has been such a long time since I have been consistently posting, and I really do miss it. It was fun and something I really did enjoy. So little recap, over a year ago now, I had weight loss surgery. Clearly it was not successful because I was unknowingly pregnant at the time, but it was a blessing in disguise because I got my sweet little baby boy who has been trying to roll over and get into everything lately. Yeah, you rolling. So going forward, things are probably going to be a little bit different on my channel just because I have a baby. So going to have a lot more mom content, little day in the life, stay-at-home mom vlogs, still going to be doing makeup beauty stuff, but just more simple stuff, and hopefully maybe some cooking and recipe videos and all the fun stuff with little baby Jack. Sean and I also got married, so surprise it was an impulsive elopement while we were in Chicago on a really crazy trip, but it was perfect. We do plan on getting married properly in the church with friends and family because it was by ourselves. We eloped at City Hall and it was just us and little baby Jack, which was so perfect. But of course we do want to have a proper wedding ceremony and get married in the church. Sean is Catholic and I am working towards converting to becoming Catholic, so that is also another thing that I'm going to be sharing here on YouTube. I don't intend on making it super central in my videos or anything because I know faith and religion is a very heated debate and somewhat controversial to some people, and I don't want to come off too strong with it or anything. Obviously that may change. My faith may grow and I may want to share more of it, and I do plan on sharing the conversion process for those of you who are interested. And then of course we are going to baptize little baby Jack. He is almost 6 months, which is absolutely insane to me, but we are gonna get him baptized. I am going to convert, gonna get remarried, and I am still working towards weight loss. Obviously weight loss surgery was not a success, unfortunately, but I do want to continue to work towards a healthier lifestyle, losing weight, being more active. It's been a really tough journey with pregnancy. I had some complications. I was high risk obviously because of my weight loss surgery, but that's a whole nother video. So let me know any questions you may have about my surgery, pregnancy. I'm gonna do a whole separate video about finding out I was pregnant, my emergency C-section, traumatic birth experience, which will be a very long video, but let me know any questions you have below in the comments. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button so I know you like this and want to see more. And of course, subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.